Mom, do you know what we're doing today?
No, what?
We're building fully enclosed boats to outlast the storm.
Cool.
Mom, what are you doing with your boat?
I really don't know. It doesn't seem to be as good as my last ones.
Your last one?
Yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing.
It seems to look a lot better. Your last one didn't have a roof or enclosed. So what is that? So what is this top thing?
I'm not really sure. I'm trying to
Make a cool design.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't feel as confident about it as I did my other one.
Oh, okay. Mom, are you done yours?
My boat is ready. It's my America boat. Nike, just do it.
Okay. You got the American flag there. And mine, the SS Avocado. SS Avocado. Before we enter the Rainstorm, give us some information about your boat.
My boat is the Nike boat, just do it. God bless America. And it's really big and it has a window with a flag on it.
Okay, the Avocado boat. It is going to win. Baby Flu Shots likes it. And have some boarded up window here and another normal window. Rainstorm is very intense here. Mom?
Yeah?
Step aside right here. And get in your boat. Oh God. I think we know who's losing. I think we know who's losing. Whoever sinks, oh Mom, you got a hole in yours. You have a hole on each side. Did you say anything?
I think my boat's winning this time.
Yeah, mine's pretty soggy. Oh God, we both have some leaks.
Mine's like down in there.
Yeah, but I don't know, your window is open, so it might have cost you. My mom's boat is, sinking, actually. She did not seal it very well. I sealed mine with hot glue, but I don't know about her. I know she did, but I think it just came off. I don't know what this little thing here is, but what is that?
I don't know either.
That was your original boat, wasn't it?
Yeah. A boat on top of a boat.
Yeah. My first idea was to have this as like a floaty and my boat on top, but now I see why that was such a good idea. Well, it wasn't going to be a bad idea, but that was kind of be cheating because I was going to say like if the top gets flooded or whatever, so. Update when. Okay, so now let's check whose boat has the most. It's like a swimming pool. Okay. Okay, now mine, I hot glued mine, so let's see. I think my mom's boat is the loser. It is very gonna sink soon. Mine is just like the bottom. Mine's floating. Hers is like that. I think mine's the winner. Let's check who has the most water in their boat. Okay, so we undid my boat. I have a very small bit of water in mine, which means mine's the winner.